Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a video inside tags on CapCut. Okay, here I have opened my CapCut application on my phone, and first of all, we can create a tags video. We can tap on new project and we can go to the stock videos on CapCut, tap on stock videos, and I'm going to select background category and click on the background that you want to apply to your video or text video, and I'm gonna go with this white background. So we can tap on the background and we can click on add. Okay, and here we can add text. We can click on the text option and click on add text right here, and for example I'm going to type intro. Okay, and I'm going to change the color of the text. Wait guys, I'm gonna go with black, and I'm going to change the font as well. I'm gonna go with this one, and I'm going to zoom in like this. Okay, and after that we can click on this check mark button, and I'm going to make the text align with the video. Oops, sorry. Okay, and after that we can save this text. We can tap on this icon to save text video. I'm going to select the quality. Okay, and click on save to device, and just wait until the text video has been exported to your device. And we're gonna create another project, and we can tap on new project, and you're gonna import the video or the text video that we have just created, this one, and click on add button right here. And we're gonna insert video. We can click on overlay and add overlay, and for example I'm going to add a video from stock video. I'm gonna go with scenery category, and I'm just going to add this video and click on add. Okay, and we're gonna blend the video, but before it we can zoom in a little bit and just click on blend, and we can select this one. Okay, and now as you can see that the video has been inserted inside the text, and I'm going to play the video to take a look at the result like this. Alright guys, and that's how we can insert a video inside text on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.